you know, that social media getting dopamine hit after dopamine.
Honestly, I'm too fragile a person to have social media. I
The
can't.
more time you spend on social media, the more negatively it impacts your mood.
Turn it off. That's what I would say. It's hard for young people now because they're hooked. They're addicted. Don't rely on social media. Put it down, turn it off.
Why Twitter is insane. It is often said that social media is driving us out of our minds individually.
Listen to me, once you realize who you are, you stop operating in desperation. You stop saying yes to stuff you ain't supposed to be saying yes to. So here's my big problem with a lot of y'all, is your belief system is off. Like, everybody can see how sweet you are. People are commenting on you.
Excuses sound best to the person that's making them up.
You gotta go get it.